Hey guys, Tony here. I also wanted to do a really quick portfolio update for my crypto. I have been moving a lot of things around. As of right now, it's definitely sitting at a different place than it was a while ago. I think at peak highs, my portfolio was at peak highs, when we were actually like in the little rally, it was my portfolio was at 88K, right? So as of right now, I am down about what, like $20,000 from my main crypto portfolio. But I started moving a lot of stuff around. I started selling a bunch of positions to get into other things. So as of right now, I do have total 70K, around 70-ish K in Coinbase. I sold most of my positions in KuCoin, my microcaps, to buy some strong notes. I have about 13.5K into that. And then I also did like one Ethereum transfer to buy some NFTs. So as of right now, my portfolio still kind of stands around the same level. I think right now my full portfolio is, well, 70K plus 13.5 would be 83.5, and then like another 83.5, and then like another 4K for that one Ethereum would be like 80. So right now my portfolio stands at like 87.5K, I think, total in crypto. And what is it called? Whoops, that's not one I wanted to click. At peak highs, my portfolio was like at 100 and over 100K. I think it was like 105K at peak highs. But that was when we were back here in like the bullish run, because I've diversified and did a bunch of stuff. I'm hoping that my portfolio hits upwards of like 150K, maybe, if we do end up running again. If Bitcoin hits 69K again, I'm thinking my portfolio would be closer to 150K instead of the 105, just because of the switches that I made in the diversification and everything that I moved around and stuff. So as you guys know, I did buy 3 strong notes, which ended up being around $13,500. And then like the other Ethereum that I used to buy, the Alien Secret Society and NFTs and stuff, and just other things that I purchased. But I wanted to really go through my Coinbase portfolio, and then I think I have like $1,000 in Crow on Crypto.com and stuff, but I kind of just let that one sit there. Crypto.com coin, still my biggest holder. I think this is gonna be my top pick for the next 10 years. You guys know that I bought 3 strong nodes. Every single month, that should be making me somewhere like 3 to 4K, I think. And as long as strong coin stays at certain prices, it should bring in passively about $3,000 to $4,000. Right now, I am focused on solely, growing, reinvesting everything back into nodes. So I ideally would like 50 nodes, right? That would be ridiculous, but that's the plan right now. I'm gonna be risky with it. I did invest an initial 13.5K for these 3 strong nodes. I'm not gonna be taking any profit whatsoever, unfortunately, as much as I would like to. It's just seeing it as a business and just gonna keep reinvesting everything over and over again. At this rate, I would be able to open 1 node every month, and then after maybe I get a couple nodes, now it's gonna be bi-weekly, then weekly, whatever. But I will keep you guys updated on that. But I think the only way that I actually start taking profit on strong and on the rewards is if I get to like, maybe, if I get to like 10 nodes, then I'll take profit. Like, I'll take 1 month of profit, right? And then if I get to like 25 nodes, then maybe when I get there, then I'll take 1 month of profit from there. And then if I get to 50 nodes, then I'll probably take 1 month of profit there. So it really just depends, right? But as of right now, the focus on my nodes is to just grow it and to reinvest everything right back into the project. That's it. For right now, Crypto.com coin, it's about 18K, 33,000 coin. This is gonna be my longest hold. This is essentially gonna be like a 10-year hold for me. I think Crypto.com, as far as it's the platform, the exchange, I think it's gonna grow massively. I think it can match BNB or Binance's market cap as far as the coin itself, but as far as an actual business, because keep in mind that Crypto.com is an actual exchange. They will officially have Crypto.com Arena in replacement of the Staples Center in LA. So I am expecting Crypto.com to maybe rally a little bit up until that point, or after the actual announcement, or after it actually happens. I think Crow.com is going to grow exponentially. I think that it has an extremely massive potential, not only as a coin, but as a business. And it's not really that I like Crow Coin and the utility that it has, but it does have a lot of utility. You can watch other videos in depth of how good the utility is of Crypto.com and how it relates and how much you actually need it within the Crypto.com platform, right? I'm not that kind of YouTuber. I'm not going to go in detail and stuff like that. Go to somebody else. But it has really good utility within its own platform, right? But I like Crow because of Crypto.com. I think the exchange is huge. I think it's going to keep growing, and I think it's going to be massive. And I think that them buying out Staples.com or the Staples.com arena and replacing it with their name just shows the actual movement and the actual power that they hold and how much they're willing to invest in their own selves to keep moving forward, right? And that's why I like Crypto.com. It's not necessarily because of the coin utility, it's because of the business exchange itself, right? Anchor, it's definitely focused on Web3. I don't think it hasn't ran yet. Its market cap is under $1 billion. I think Anchor should definitely be at least like $4. That's not me. That's me being completely serious, right? I think Anchor right now sits at like, wow, why can I not access this? Super crappy. So Anchor has been running a little bit. It's doing extremely well. I have 10K in it, right? I do want to have at least 100,000 coins, but the market cap isn't even $1 billion. I think Anchor can hit like a $40 billion market cap, to be honest. I think it's the leader in Web3. And the only reason I like Anchor is because I know there's a lot of development. I'm a developer, right? I'm a programmer, and I know that there's a lot of development moving towards Anchor. So it's really just more of on a. The reason I like Anchor is because it's a personal, what is it called? I don't want to say like a personal investment, but it's just personally from my experience, I've seen a lot of movement go towards Anchor, and I think it's going to keep moving there. Ethereum for obvious reasons, and then you have Gala, Polygon, and Shiba Inu for like certain things. Gala just for the metaverse play. I think it's as far as gaming and everything, I think it's going to do fantastic. Polygon, I think it beats Ethereum every single time. If Ethereum is gas, then Polygon is electricity. That's basically what I've told you guys every single time. Shiba Inu for Fool's Insurance. I made a crap ton of money off of that, just like I did with Doggy, so I'm going to keep holding it. Stellar Lumens, because I think it's a win-win. I think Stellar is a win-win for basically any situation. I think XRP, if it wins, great. Its sister company Stellar is gonna run also. As far as what is it called? If XRP loses, then Stellar is gonna take the crown, right? There's really no other thing the only other competitor is Quant. I think that if XRP wins, then Stellar and Quant are gonna run because the lawsuit is over and everything that's gonna be in this category is gonna run as far as payment goes. But if XRP loses, then all the money is going to transfer over to Stellar and Quant, more than likely. Chainlink, it's the Oracle platform. It's connected to literally everything. I don't need to go into Chainlink too much. Cosmos, I think it's a safe play. I think it'll slowly go up in time. I do like it because of the APY, but after I got into Crypto.com coin, and after I saw the 10% APY on their own platform, I might just switch my Cosmos over to Crow anyways. But I still like Cosmos. It never hurts to have a small position. Spell Token, I bought it out of just, I thought it was a weird crypto. This was basically all luck. I did no TA whatsoever. And then after I actually looked at the TA, it looks like it's going to close a bullish week on Sunday. So I'm happy I got in early for Spell Token. Probably going to keep holding. I'm already about 50%, almost like 47% in profit. Sushi Swap, I think it's going to run just because I like all exchange-based tokens. Quant, again, the only reason I bought it is because it's basically a sister crypto to, what is it called? Quant is a sister crypto to Stellar and XRP. And then everything else, they're just like smaller coins that I don't really care about. But yeah, this is just a quick update of my full Coinbase portfolio. And then along with a lot of other stuff that I've changed and moved around. But yeah, I just really wanted to do a quick update of what I've added, what I'm holding, and what I think is gonna do really, really well for the next while, right? Obviously, you have things like Ethereum, but I think if I had to pick one solid coin for the next 10 years, I'd go with Crypto.com coin every single time. I think Crow is gonna run exponentially hard, but not really based off of the utility and stuff. I just really like the exchange. I think the exchange over the next 10 years is gonna blow up. And it might even be bigger than Binance or much bigger than Binance, right? So we'll see what happens. But yeah, just a quick update. I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.